Hi guys, I have an interesting toy here. I found this padlock and luckily it has a combination number, and I tried to figure out, and really it is too difficult if I haven't found if I didn't have the combination number. It would be very hard for me to discover it. However, I had already see the combination, in which I will show you how to open this without knowing the combination, because I discovered just a while ago how to defeat this kind of padlock. It's a beautiful one, and really I was amazed by the construction of it. Okay, I'll show you how to discover the if you lost the combination, or you found a padlock like this and you don't know the combination, of course, so you can try. So okay friend, now let's find the right combination of it. First we'll try to lock this shackle. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now let's close that, and now we'll try to figure out the combination by this thin wire inserting on this little tiny hole here, right? And we can feel because there is a gate on this wheel here, so we'll try to find out which is the gate here. That is the first one. Say nothing, 2, nothing, that is very tight, 3, nothing, 4, okay, you see that there is a loose end there. It's look like this is look like a gate that we have hooked in, right? So we presume that is the first combination. Let's take this out. Next, this is not, this is thick, tight, that is still tight. Again, it's loose. See that the wire is playing inside here, right? Next, also the same. See that is 1 already, the third combination number. Yeah, right. Next, that is tight, 1, still tight, 2, still tight, 3, still very tight, 4, no, it doesn't play yet, 5, see that it's playing now, see, it's playing around now. So that is the right combination now, and that is how to find the lost combination of this kind of padlock. And it's very cute, you know. I like the design of this, the construction. It's very, very attractive. It's different from the wheels which we commonly see is so, you know. This one is very good. Okay folks, so that is how to find it out. All the tools which you need only is this very, very thin spring wire here that is a little bit curved at the tip. You see that curve there is very, very small, just enough for it to insert there like that. Okay, so thanks for watching folks, and good day.